Hello and welcome to tonight's full moon guided meditation. This meditation will help you get a more deeper and relaxing sleep. The moon is calling you tonight, ready to soothe you with her light and guide you to deep sleep. So let's begin. So slowly close your eyes and we will start by stretching out your limbs, extending your arms and legs as far as they can reach, as if you were reaching out to touch the moon. Take a deep breath in now. And as you exhale, release your body from its stretch. Allow yourself to settle into your most favorite sleeping position and connect to the rhythm of your breath, feeling your body expand with every inhale and relax deeper with every exhale. So breathe in and breathe out. Do this for a few more breaths. Feel the cool energy of the moon. Her light is reflecting down from above and calling you to dream. So imagine that you're standing in your most favorite spot in nature. Perhaps you find yourself on the beach or in the open space of your backyard. Or maybe you see yourself on a hiking trail or even the familiar streets of your neighborhood. Wherever you are, see yourself in this space. Breathe in the freshness of the night's air. And relax just a little more as you feel the safe, luminous light of the moon covering you. Now feel yourself beginning to walk, feeling the earth beneath your bare feet. Feeling her warmth rising to connect with your feet on every step. You raise your head slightly to the sky, drinking in the divine feminine energy. The magical force of nature gives you her rhythms, her cycles, and her power. Feel her love cover you as you walk under her moonlight tonight. If you notice any thoughts come in, just bring your focus to your breath and take in a deep breath in through your nose. Slowly out through your mouth. Relax your body deeper, deeper and deeper into your bed, releasing all the thoughts, all the tension, all the pain, all the emotions through your breath, letting them all go on every out breath. And invite in the warmth from the moon, feeling it soften you. Now, as you imagine yourself outside in the space, start visualizing yourself walking and feel her love with each step you take. Let the moonlight guide you and protect you. She is lighting your path so you can dream. Her fullness opening up all the possibilities. She is giving you the space to ask for what you want and to create intentions soaked in self-love. Giving you the space to see clearly what to release and infusing you with the courage to do so. So, be here under the moonlight, imagining it strengthening you, illuminating you, and soothing you. And visualize in your mind what it is that you want to manifest in your life right now. Set a pure intention and hold that in your mind. Let yourself surrender to her beautiful, this breathtaking moonlight guiding your path, soaking you in her light as you take step after step after step along the earth. She is a part of you. Let her soothe you into a deep, peaceful sleep tonight.